I'm Daniel Fontaine, CEO for the BC Care Providers Association. As you all know, yesterday the government of BC announced that it was going to expropriate over 4,000 jobs from within the home care sector in British Columbia. That will impact thousands of workers across BC who are now going to, instead of working for a community agency or a service provider in their local community, will now be working directly for the government, for the health authority. We know that this is going to impact services for seniors across the province, and we know that their families are also going to be impacted as well. What we've learned is that this is going to cost more, but not necessarily deliver any better or expanded services. We've heard from seniors. They tell us that what they want is increase in services to be able to have help with laundry, perhaps get a cup of tea, or assist them with medications. That is not what was announced yesterday. This was simply an expropriation of jobs out of the private sector and into government. I'm hoping that the government of BC will listen to seniors, will listen to care providers, and will put a pause on this process and this plan to expropriate these jobs. It's important to note that we were not consulted. Nobody within our sector was consulted in advance of this decision being made. In fact, our members were given a gag order, so they couldn't even speak to us as an industry association before the announcement was made. There are alternatives to the plan that the government has put forward, and I remain hopeful that working with you and working with the community, that we can work with the ministry and with the government to come up with an alternative plan, to put a pause to this expropriation, and to make sure that whatever plan we put in place impacts seniors and their quality of life more positively. Thank you.